Hey everyone, I hope your day is going well. In this video, we'll be going over a short, quick and easy guide on how to optimize your system for a performance boost in all games. Some things that will be in this video that we'll be optimizing is your CPU, GPU, debloating your PC, so disabling services and different tasks on startup, and much more. If you have noticed that this utility helped you out in the tiniest bit, then make sure to check out our premium and standard tweaking utilities that will fully optimize your system in under 10 minutes, which we go over overclocking and full BIOS optimizations as well. If you have bad network, then make sure to check out my video I uploaded before this, where I've went over a bunch of network settings to reduce buffer blow, jitters, and overall get better ping. But now let's get into this video. The first step is head to Google or whatever browser you use and then type in discord.gg/sticks to join our Discord server, which will have the download link for the program that we will be using. Once you've joined our server, head over to the programs channel and you'll see a download link for version 1.1. The time you are seeing this video, if there's a newer version, then make sure to use that one. Once you've downloaded the folder, extract it to your desktop, open it up, and as you can see, here's a text document with the whole source code. And if you feel that this may be malicious in any way, you can scroll through it and see that it is not malicious in any way. So to get started, you're going to right click this batch file and then make sure to run as administrator. And once you got here, full screen it so you can see everything and then press any key to continue. And it will make a restore point. But once it has completed, click your Windows key and type up restore point. And then once you're here, click on your C drive, then configure and make sure this internal and system protections is checked and you have around 5%. Then click apply and OK. If it has already made one for you, you can just double check by clicking system restore. Choose a different restore point. Next. And right here, you can see it. But if it hasn't made one for you, just click create and then name it whatever. And once it's done, you can just close this. The first thing we'll do is optimize our Windows registry by disabling things like notifications, background apps. We'll be adjusting the Win32 priority separation value and things like that. So type 1, enter. And if it doesn't say the operation completed successfully, close the program and then make sure to run as administrator. And once that's completed, click enter. Then click 2. Your system to prefer maximum performance over power savings. And once you're here, select ultimate performance. But since my premium power plan is much better, I'm just going to continue using this one. Then you can close this, press any key to continue again. Then 3 to optimize Windows settings. And you'll repeat that same process. So 1, then enter. 2, enter. And do that all the way through 6. Once you've done all 6 of them, type X, then enter to go back to the main menu. Then type 4 to clean your temp files, and prefetch and all that other stuff. And then 5 to optimize your CPU. Then type 1, then 2, and do that all the way through 16. Once you've done all 16 of them, type X again to go back to the main menu. And then 6 to disable USB power saving drivers and different things like that. Then you can do 7. Then 8. And once you're here, you'll see 2 different options. There's 1 to disable Game DVR. And if you disable this, if you're full screen into a game and then you go to tab out, your screen will be black for about a second or 2. Or you can type R to revert it, which will be just Windows default, and it will fix that. But since I don't mind that, and I'd rather prefer lower latency, I'm going to type 1. Then X again to go back to main menu. 9. Then type 10. And then this will start uninstalling a bunch of pre-installed Windows apps. If you notice that you're missing one of them after this, you can just text in our general chat or just ping me. And I can send you a revert, which will be a PowerShell command to download that app again. So click OK. Then once that's completed, click enter to go back to the main menu. And then 11 for more latency tweaks. And then 12, type 1 for SVC host. And this will be for your RAM. If you don't know how much RAM you have, you can either type 0. And then go to performance, memory, and up at the top, it'll show you how many gigabytes you have. And since I have 32, I'm going to type 6, then enter, and then go back, and then type 2 for the general RAM tweaks. And if this is red, it's because memory compression is already disabled. So you don't got to worry about that. And then 3. And same thing with this one. And this one. Disable prefetch, disable superfetch. And once you've done all of them, you can go back to the main menu. And then you can do 13 to scan your system for corrupt files if you decide to. If not, just type X again and go back. And then right here, only do NVIDIA GPU tweaks if you have NVIDIA GPU. And a way to check is go back to your task manager and then go to performance and then GPU. And right here it will say NVIDIA GeForce. So I'm going to type 14 on this one. But if you have an AMD GPU, type 15 and then enter. Once you've done all them, click your Windows key and then restart your computer for all the changes to apply. Since most cheats are registry, they require a restart to actually take effect. If you've noticed any type of performance increase at all, make sure to check out our website with the link in the description or stickstweaks.com, and you'll see a bunch of our different services that we offer, which go way more in depth than what our free utility does. If you have watched this far into the video, comment optimize to be featured in my next video. I want to thank you guys all for watching and have an amazing day.